Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your buy data from PPL agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can understand English, ma'am, but not too much
It's
speaking.
it's okay as long as you can communicate with your employer. Is we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, it's not there is no point of coming here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Do you have
I'm
any
willing,
friend?
ma'am.
All right. Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am, I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you
I'm
feel
fit for my
unwell,
medical.
if you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am, it's my third time.
Why did you choose
First
to come
in,
and work here in Malaysia?
ma'am, I'm willing to work Malaysia now, ma'am, because I'm finished in Saudi before and also Qatar, and I'm choosing the Malaysia now for also experience.
Okay, what is your name?
I'm Joymeros Abelia Homalon,
Okay,
but I'm using now
do you have your passport?
in my agency right now, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm running 28 this next year.
Are you single or married?
Single, ma'am, but I have one kid.
You are single mother. You don't have
Yes, ma'am.
any boyfriend or live-in partner?
I have live-in partner, ma'am,
So you
for
are
4 years.
so until now also you have your live-in partner.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your child?
6 years old, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
July 13, ma'am, 1998.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2", and my weight is 64.
64. What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate, ma'am.
High school graduate. So who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, ma'am, take care my kid.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
48 years old, ma'am, and household only.
Okay, what about your father?
Ma'am,
How old is your father?
48, ma'am.
And what is his occupation?
I can't hear your voice.
How old is your father? Okay, what about your father? How old is your father and what is his occupation?
My father, ma'am, is occupation laborer, and then 52 years old.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Only two.
What
Only
two?
sister.
Okay. What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Eldest, ma'am.
Eldest. Okay, so you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad, right? This is your
Yes, ma'am.
third time round. In which country do you have your first working experience as an OFW?
Saudi, ma'am. Saudi Arabia.
How many years you worked there?
1 year and 9 months, ma'am.
Okay. Why you didn't finish your contract?
Because of oh, I forgot. My before, ma'am, my coworker,
Okay.
and then they fighting. You know that one, madam.
Are you
And
fighting with each other?
no, it's not. It's not my fault, but I chose to go home because we are five there, and I'm only Philippine, and then
Okay.
it's very toxic. That's why my madam there gave me a ticket, and then I did not come back because of that, only that reason.
Okay. What year did you started and what year did you ended your contract there?
I start there in 2021
Okay.
October, and then I go home at uh 2023 July.
Okay. Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
I'm all around, ma'am. I'm taking the kids, I'm cooking, cleaning, and washing clothes.
Did you do ironing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
7, ma'am.
How old are those children?
Uh, the oldest is 16,
Okay.
15, 14, 7, 8, and 6. Also twins, 2 years old. But the nanny there was 5. We are 5 there.
Okay. So how old is the twins? How old is the twins?
2 years old, ma'am.
So how many total colleague you have inside the house?
Ma'am,
How how many total helpers inside the house?
S- 7, 9 with parents also.
Oh, so I mean helpers. How many helpers?
Helper 5, 5 helpers, ma'am, and 2 drivers.
All right. So all of this you take care also at the same time. You take your children
Yes,
also.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm bringing the school.
Okay.
I
So after KSA, you work in which country?
Qatar, ma'am.
How many years you work there?
It's same in Saudi, ma'am. It's 1 year and 9 months.
Okay. So what happened?
My my madam and baba always fighting,
And
and
then?
also my sir hurting madam at that time.
Okay.
This year
So
only, madam. July, July.
what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
I started on 2000,
Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish?
2023 I started, and
What
then I finished 2025
what month did you
July,
started in 2023?
October 18.
Okay, what is your job responsibilities in Qatar?
All around, ma'am. I'm cooking, ironing, washing clothes,
Did
taking the kids, 2 kids,
okay, how old are those children?
3 years old and 8 months.
Okay. So you know that working as a domestic helper is very tough, right? So you need to get ready yourself. But I would like to let you know that Malaysia and Middle East is quite different. You need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. I would like to let you know also that Malaysia here, employers is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, okay? Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I'm willing, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I experienced also that one, ma'am.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you're not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will abandon your phone on the next morning before you start work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give them a better future. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp, Joy May, because some employer and salesperson may contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.